just finished our tour with Lal. All the hotels were really nice. All the food was good. All the service was excellent, and all the attractions we went to were great. We got some great photos. Thanks, Lal. Yeah.
And Lal's driving was excellent, even
Yes.
in all the weather conditions.
Yeah.
Everywhere we went, he looked after us and made sure we got the best seats on the train.
Yeah.
and the best views at all the safaris. And we couldn't have had this kind of a trip without him.
Yeah. Did a great job, yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.